Ever feel like you're playing catch-up when it comes to your finances? Like there's got to be a better way. Well, get this. AI might just be that way.
We're diving into a Medium article today all about how AI is changing the financial game, and let me tell you, it's way more exciting than it sounds.
Yeah. And what's really interesting is this isn't some like distant future we're talking about. This is happening right now. The article makes it clear that today's financial landscape, well, it's already pretty wild, right? I mean, volatile markets, way too much information, and everyone wants a personalized plan, it seems. A lot for anyone to handle, even the experts.
Tell me about it. I mean, honestly, just trying to understand the market trends sometimes makes me feel like I need a PhD or something. So how is AI stepping in to make all this easier? Well, it boils down to AI being able to look at mountains of data, way more than we can, and pick out the important patterns. And we're not just talking about those robo-advisors everyone's heard of. Think about algorithms, like seriously smart ones that can break down your spending to the cent, see market trends before they even happen, and jump on opportunities that appear for like a second and then boom, they're gone.
Okay, now those opportunities, you're going to have to break that down for me. Give me an example.
Okay, picture this. AI bots trading crypto across like a bunch of different exchanges all at the same time. These bots can see these tiny, tiny price differences, I'm talking fractions of a cent, that pop up and vanish super fast. And because these bots are lightning fast, they make thousands of trades in the time it takes us to blink, and they're making bank off those little differences.
Wow. That's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it. It's like these algorithms have some kind of insider knowledge of the markets or something.
Right. It just shows how AI can process everything so much faster than any of us could ever dream of.
It really highlights how fast these algorithms actually work. But does that mean AI is going to replace, like, actual financial advisors altogether? Or is this more of a situation where humans and AI are, like, teaming up?
Yeah, I'd say it's definitely more of a team effort than a takeover.
Yeah.
The article uses this phrase, personalization at scale, to kind of get at that idea.
Personalization at scale. Okay, you're going to have to explain that one.
Okay, so imagine having a portfolio, right? And it's like perfectly managed, just like someone with a whole team of expensive financial advisors, but it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. That's what we're talking
Yeah.
about here. That's the potential. AI can take like everything, your financial goals, how much risk you're okay with, what the market's doing, even your everyday spending habits, and use all that to make you a custom investment plan. The kind of plan that a human advisor, I mean, they just wouldn't have time to keep up with in today's crazy market.
Okay, so it's like having a super smart assistant working with your financial advisor. I like that. That's a good visual.
Right.
But let's be real. I mean, this all sounds amazing in theory, but I bet some people listening are a little freaked out about the idea of an algorithm making decisions about their money,
Right.
right? We're talking about people's hard-earned savings here. Can we really trust AI to handle that kind of responsibility?
I totally get it. That's a valid concern. And the article does bring up those counter arguments too. It's powerful tech, we can't deny that. And yeah, it does make you stop and think about how to make sure it's being used the right way, especially when it comes to money.
So are we like headed for a world where robots are in charge of everyone's money? Is that what we're saying?
Not exactly, no. Like we've been saying, it's more about AI and humans working together, not AI taking over. A good way to think about it is AI being like another tool financial advisors can use, except this tool is super advanced. It can analyze tons of data way faster than humans, run different scenarios, and even find opportunities that might take like weeks, months for a person to dig up.
Okay, so the AI does the boring stuff, but the human advisor is still the one making the actual decisions.
You got it. That means human advisors have more time to do what they're really good at, which is like understanding what you care about, how you feel about your money, the emotional stuff, and then they can give you advice that makes sense for you long term. So it's all about combining the best of AI, all that data power, with good old-fashioned human judgment.
That makes sense. It's not that human intuition is gone or anything. It's more like AI makes it even better. And hey, maybe this could even make getting good financial advice easier for more people, right?
Totally. That's actually a really important point the article brings up. What if, even if you're just starting out with investing and you don't have the money to hire a fancy team of experts, you could still get access to those really smart AI-powered insights? That could be huge for making investing more fair for everyone.
Now, that is a fascinating idea. So for everyone listening, what should they take away from all this? Do we all need to run out and find an AI financial advisor right now?
The big question the article asks is, are you ready for AI to be a part of your financial journey? It's not about AI taking over finance. It's more about figuring out how to use these tools in a way that helps you reach your own money goals.
Yeah, that's something to think about for sure. This tech is changing so fast, there's no doubt it's going to change how we manage our money in the future, that's for sure.
100%. And the more we understand these tools, the better off we'll be as all this new stuff develops. It's an exciting time.
You said it. AI in finance, it's all about making human judgment even better, not
Yeah.
replacing it. The future is all about working together, AI and humans, side by side. So this week, as you're thinking about everything we've talked about, take a minute to think about how these changes could affect how you deal with your own money. Are you ready for the future of finance? Until next time, keep on diving.